Are you ready to take your car maintenance knowledge to the next level? It's time to get to know the unsung hero of your vehicle's power transmission, the rear differential. This essential component plays a vital role in ensuring a smooth driving experience by distributing power from your engine to your wheels. But just like any other mechanical part, it needs proper care and maintenance to function optimally. One of the most critical tasks in maintaining your rear differential is changing its fluid. So guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 reasons why you need to change your rear differential oil and how it impacts your driving performance. So you might be wondering, what exactly is a rear differential? Well, it's a mechanical component located in your vehicle's drivetrain, and its main job is to distribute power to the wheels. Essentially, it allows both wheels to rotate at different speeds, which is important when you're turning a corner, because it allows for smooth turns and helps prevent tire skidding. The rear differential is typically found near the rear axle of your vehicle and is housed in a metal case. It looks like a gearbox, and since located at the rear of the vehicle, hence the name rear differential, it's a pretty important piece of the puzzle when it comes to your vehicle's performance, so it's important to keep it well maintained. It's an integral part of your vehicle's drive system and plays a crucial role in your car's performance and stability. By understanding what the rear differential does and its importance, you can ensure that it's functioning properly and avoid any potential issues down the road. So why do cars have rear differentials in the first place? Well, think about it. A car's wheels have to rotate at different speeds, especially when you're turning. If the wheels were rotating at the same speed, the inside wheel would have to travel a shorter distance than the outside wheel, leading to tire slippage and reduced traction. That's where the rear differential comes in. It acts as a sort of gearbox, distributing the engine's torque to the wheels in a way that allows them to rotate at different speeds, providing improved handling and stability while you drive. That's cool, right? If you have found value in this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest car knowledge. Your support helps us keep creating content that's helpful to you. So, as we already discussed, a rear differential is responsible for distributing power from the engine to the wheels. This is essential for maintaining traction, especially when driving on slippery roads. Secondly, the rear differential allows for the wheels to rotate at different speeds. This is particularly important when you're driving around corners. When turning, the wheel on the outside of the turn will travel a greater distance compared to the wheel on the inside of the turn. The rear differential helps ensure that both wheels are turning at the correct speed, which helps maintain stability and control. Finally, rear differentials are essential for vehicles with rear-wheel drive. In rear-wheel drive vehicles, the power generated by the engine is transferred to the wheels through the rear differential. This helps to provide better traction and more balanced weight distribution compared to front-wheel drive vehicles. All these reasons make the rear differential an important component of your vehicle's drivetrain, and why it's crucial to keep it well maintained by changing the oil regularly. Now that we understand the importance of the rear differential, let's talk about when it's time to change the fluid. This is a crucial aspect of maintaining the rear differential, as old and dirty fluid can cause damage to the gears and other components. The recommended time for changing the rear differential oil varies between vehicle models and manufacturers, but a good rule of thumb is to change it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. However, it's always a good idea to check your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendation. It's also important to pay attention to other factors, such as the way you drive and the conditions in which you drive. For example, if you frequently drive in dusty or muddy conditions, the fluid may need to be changed more frequently. Additionally, if you frequently tow heavy loads, the fluid may break down faster, requiring more frequent changes. To keep your rear differential functioning smoothly, it's best to have the fluid checked and changed on a regular basis. Now that you know when it's time to change your rear differential oil, let's take a look at the process involved in doing so. The process for changing your rear differential fluid is relatively straightforward, but it's important to have a basic understanding of the steps involved. Here's what you'll need to get started. High-quality rear differential fluid. It's recommended to use synthetic oil, which offers better protection and performance compared to conventional mineral-based oil. A drain pan to collect the old oil. A socket set and wrench to remove the drain plug. And a funnel to pour the new oil into the differential. Before you begin, make sure to park your car on a level surface and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes to avoid any accidental spills. It's also important to wear protective gear such as gloves and eye protection. The estimated time for this process can range from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on your mechanical skills and experience. The cost of the new fluid and any necessary supplies is also something to keep in mind. Generally, the main process can be broken down into the following steps. First, locate the rear differential. The rear differential is usually located at the rear of your vehicle, close to the wheels. It's a cylindrically shaped component that is typically covered by a metal casing. Now drain the old fluid. To drain the old fluid, you'll need to remove the drain plug located at the bottom of the differential. Once the fluid starts to drain, it's important to let it drain completely. After that, you'll need to fill the differential with new fluid. You can do this by using a pump or a syringe to slowly add the fluid into the fill hole. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's specifications for the correct type and amount of fluid. Finally, once you finish filling the differential with new fluid, you'll need to replace the drain plug. Make sure it's securely tightened to prevent any leaks. Now, if your vehicle has a differential on both sides, you'll need to repeat the process on the other side. It's important to note that while the process of changing the rear differential fluid is relatively straightforward, it can be messy and time-consuming. If you're not comfortable working on your vehicle, it's best to have it done by a professional mechanic. They will have the experience and the proper tools to get the job done right. In conclusion, changing the rear differential oil is an important aspect of car maintenance that is often overlooked. From ensuring smooth operation to preventing costly repairs, regularly changing the rear differential oil can benefit your vehicle in numerous ways. If it has been a while since you last changed your rear differential oil, consider scheduling an appointment with your mechanic. The process is quick and straightforward, and the benefits of a well-oiled rear differential are numerous. Remember, regular maintenance is key to ensuring that your vehicle runs smoothly for years to come. So don't hesitate, change your rear differential oil today and enjoy a smoother ride tomorrow. So, there you have it. The top 5 reasons why you need to change your rear differential oil, and everything you need to know about this important component of your car. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest content. And as always, let us know what you think about this in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.